What happened immediately after Lindbergh crossed the Atlantic? A. He flew the mail between St. Louis and Chicago. B. He left college. C. He attended the Army Flight Training School. D. He was given the Congressional Medal of Honor. Or E. He married Anne Morrow. To answer this question, we need information from the second and third paragraphs, which I have posted here. Here we find mention of Lindbergh crossing the Atlantic. Then came the historic flight across the Atlantic. Because our question is asking what happened immediately after Lindbergh crossed the Atlantic, we need to look further in the text. Because the rest of the paragraph after this sentence are only describing the background of the flight and a little more information about the flight itself and not what happened after it, we need to carry on to the next paragraph. We see in the third paragraph that Lindbergh landed in Paris on May 21st. His flight made news around the world. He was given awards, and there were parades everywhere he went. He was presented with the U.S. Congressional Medal of Honor and the First Distinguished Flying Cross. Because the text tells us that he was given awards immediately after crossing the Atlantic, and one of the awards he was given was the U.S. Congressional Medal of Honor, which we see is one of our choices, we can head down to our choices and mark D, he was given the Congressional Medal of Honor, as our final answer.